Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to present you a small light or a small lamp from Ulanzi. I bought it in order to use it with my smartphone when I'm shooting in let's say dark places. It's very small, very light, and I'll tell you more about it because I use it for about 1 week now, and I'm very pleased with this product. But first, let's have a look at the box. Let's do a proper unboxing, and then I'll tell you more about what I discovered. So this is the box. As you can see, it has a picture with the product on top of the box. The model is VL49 RGB because it has colors that you can select from. On this side you have the logo of the company. Here we have some specifications, so basically you can adjust the color of the light from warm to cold. It has a 2000 milliamps battery inside, so basically you can charge it with your phone charger. It has colors, as I told you. It has a magnet, so you can mount it on a tripod, but also you can mount it on something made of metal, and it has some light effects. I'll tell you more about them later. Okay, and here on this side of the box we have some technical specifications. As I told you, you can change the color temperature. This is the maximum brightness, and this is how long it will last. So they say 2 hours on maximum output and 10 hours on lower output. I can tell you from now that I use it at maximum output for around 2.5 hours, so it's higher than what is on the box. And I was using it at let's say medium output for around 4.5 hours, and I still had one level of battery left. Okay, and here we have some other information. It's made in China. Okay, let's jump inside the box. So in the box, as you can see, we have a very small charging cable. It's an USB-C charging cable, but I was using my smartphone charger. Yeah, and this one has around 30 centimeters. And we have the user manual, which is in Chinese but also in English. And here basically you can see how to use it, what are the buttons, what are the ports, and so on. But you will see it's very simple, it's very intuitive, you don't need the indications. It comes in this bag. The quality of the box, it looks okay, it looks premium, I would say. And this is the small light, the small lamp. As you can see, it's made of matte black plastic. It's good because you will not see fingerprints on it. Okay, this is it. So basically you have 1, 2, 3 cold shoe connectors. So if you want to buy more lamps, you can attach them to this lamp and do like a puzzle of 3-4 lamps. Here you have the cold shoe connector to attach it to your camera or to your smartphone holder if you have one with a cold shoe. And I want to show you because I have one with me here. As you can see, this smartphone holder, it has a cold shoe, and for example, this is how you attach it. You put it in place with this screw here, and this is how it will look like. You will have your smartphone here, and this is how the light will look on top of your smartphone. Quite good, huh? Let me take it out. Okay, so this is the connector. I told you this is how you put it in place. You screw this little screw here and it will stay in place. Here you have the magnet. So as I told you, you can stick it to any metal. It has a magnet. From what I saw, is not very strong. It will move a little bit depending on the metal that you have, but it's not so strong. Here you have the USB-C connector in order to charge it. I saw that it takes around 2 hours to fully charge. And here we have some buttons. There are physical buttons, and this is the on and off button. This is how it looks. Again, very compact, it fits in my hand, and I'm very pleased with the quality of this product. So in order to turn it on, you need to slide this button here, and as you can see, you also have a small screen here, and the light right now is on. Okay, so what you can do with this lamp? As you can see here, you have the battery indicator. It has 4 lines, yeah, so you don't have percentages, but you have lines. It's okay, shall I say. This 100% is the level of the light, is the intensity of the light. If you want, you can adjust it, and as you can see, you can adjust it with 1%, with 1% interval, which is very handy, and it is very useful. Usually I'm keeping it at around 40 to 50%. For me, it's enough when I'm shooting in dark places, but again, this depends on your needs. So this is how you play with the intensity of the light. Let me put it back to 100%. And if you press this button, it's like a mode button. This is the color temperature. So as you know, the lower the value here, the warmer the light. The higher the value here, the colder the light is. See? Let me see. Okay, look. Now it will become warmer. So it's a yellow light. And now it will become colder. It's a white light. So this is how you adjust it. As you can see, the steps are also very small. So you will find your perfect light depending on your needs. I like it. Usually I'm keeping it at around 4000. This is what I like. But again, it depends on your needs. So this is how you play with the intensity of the light, and this is how you play with the color of the light. I'm talking about white light. But if you long press this button like this, you are going into the RGB mode, meaning that you have colors. And here again, you have the intensity of the light and you have the color of the light. If you play with these two buttons, you will see that the color will change. Let me show you. So let's go down. As you can see, now it's blue. Now it will become green, yellow. You will have red, and so on. So basically, by keeping this button pressed, you can change the color of the light. Yeah, I don't know if you see, but it's blue. It's changed from blue to purple to red to yellow and so on. This is very nice. I don't think I'm going to use it, to be honest with you. I just bought it for the white light because I need it when I'm shooting indoor. So this is the RGB menu, but if you press it once again and keep it pressed, now you have 13 functions, and this is very interesting because you can use this lamp in various conditions. So for example, as you see right now, they say this scene number 1 is cop car. So as you can see, the lamp switches between blue light and red light. So if you put this in your windscreen, if you buy 2 of these and put in your windscreen, people will believe that you are a cop. Interesting. This is not allowed by the law. Yeah, don't do it. But if you want to play inside your garden, let's say, you can do it. Okay, so this is cop car. Then if you press this button here, you go to scenario number 2, which is ambulance. And basically, they have different effects on the light. They play with all the colors, with blue, with red, with white, with yellow, to give you, to simulate different scenarios. So cop car, ambulance, let's see what else we have. Fire engine, emergency. So basically this is the white light flashing. Okay. Fireworks. So as you can see right now, the lamp is changing all the colors. Yeah, okay. TV. From what I see, it keeps the... Okay, it plays with the white light. Party. In the party mode is like a stroboscope, but slower. It changes all the colors. I don't know what this is. I think it will change the color very slow between one and the other. Yes, this is what it does. This is fast. Yeah, it changes the color fast. Okay, without interrupting the light. This is the stroboscope. As you can see, it will change the color very, very fast. Okay, red flash, so it will flash in red. Then you have green flash, and then you have blue flash. And I think this is it. These are the 13 scenarios. And if you press this button and long press it once again, you will go to the white light menu. Okay, this is the product. Right now I'm going to show you how it looks in a dark environment, because I was really pleased with the product and with the quality. To be honest with you, I bought it because when I'm shooting videos inside of a car and I don't have good light quality, the videos are quite grainy and I don't like that. So this is why I bought this lamp, in order to fix this issue. And I can tell you that it is great. It does the job pretty well. Right now I'm going to mount it on the tripod and I'm going to use it with the phone, and I'm going to show you how a video with this lamp looks like and how a video without this lamp looks like. So as I told you, the battery will last for around 2.5 hours at full brightness and around 4.5 hours at half brightness. Okay guys, so this is the quality of the video without any light. In the room right now it's quite dark, and as you can see, the video is very grainy. I'm shooting in wide angle because this is how I'm going to use this lamp for wide angle videos. So as you can see, here are some toys from my daughter, and the video, I think it's quite grainy. It looks grainy. Now if I turn on the lamp, this is the maximum intensity. You suddenly see a big difference in quality. Look at all the details. So I think it's very good. And now let me play with the intensity. So now it's 100%, and now I'm switching it to 50%. So this is 50%. Still, the quality of the video, in my opinion, it's very good. Yeah. So I'm filming right now at around 40 centimeters distance, and you see the lamp is doing a great job. And let me go down to 20% intensity now. So this is 20% intensity, and as you can see, from 40 centimeters the quality is still good. Let me shut it off. Okay, this is without the lamp, and this is with lamp at 20% intensity. So you see, even at 20% intensity, it does a great job. I really like it. Let me go back to 100% intensity. This is 100% intensity. So right now I'm at around, I'd say 50 centimeters, no, 60 to 70 centimeters away, and the light still does a great job. Now I'm at 20 centimeters, and this is the maximum intensity. And if I switch it off, this is 1 meter away from the toys. This is close to the toys. As you can see, the video is very grainy. Again, turn it on and the video will change significantly. Okay guys, so this was the unboxing and the review of this product. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the like button. Thanks.